हिंदी चलेगी? Everybody understand Hindi? No. English. English. English will do it. हाँ जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं इस संस्था की मैनेजमेंट टीम का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया कि मैं कुछ जिंदगी में पिछले 10 साल से जो मैंने सीखा वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर सकूँ। और आप सबका धन्यवाद करूँगा कि आपने अपना ये टाइम निकाला है। वैसे तो आपका ये एक फंक्शन था, लेकिन उस फंक्शन के बाद अगर आपने मेरे को सुनने के लिए अपना एक टाइम निकाला है, उसके लिए आप सबका धन्यवाद। आप सबको एक चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगा कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ। आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू विद कॉन्फिडेंस दैट दिस टाइम अबाउट 1 आवर लोगों के बीच में है टू शेयर ए वंडरफुल इंफॉर्मेशन। एज Dr. Thapar informed you, Dr. Thapar and me, we have been colleagues in India, in Chandigarh for many years. And today I am meeting him after more than 20 years. I left for Libya in 1986. I think we have not met after that. No. More than 25 years. And it's been such a pleasure. इन्होंने परसों चौथ मेरे को फोन करके बोला था कि लाइफ तो यहाँ की बहुत अच्छी है, नो डाउट, पर जब अपने के मेरे को एक हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, लोग पता क्या बोलते हैं, आप तो डॉक्टर हो तो आपको कैसे होगी? तो मैं उनको यही जवाब देता हूँ, क्या डॉक्टर इंसान नहीं होते? क्या उनके अंदर वही बॉडी सिस्टम नहीं होते जो सबके अंदर है? तो डॉक्टर होने से ये तो नहीं कि आदमी बीमार ही नहीं होएगा। डॉक्टर्स को भी वो बीमारियां होती हैं जो बाकी लोगों को होती हैं। एंड डॉक्टर्स आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट पेशेंट्स। तो 15 no more solutions, no more looking around. And positively I decided to face it, though I was positive, but I'm sure there must be some tension in the subconscious mind, knowing that a rheumatoid arthritic patient ultimately becomes fully crippled with deformities of the fingers and toes and all the joints and gets confined to bed. So I was also in that situation, and probably because of that tension at the back of my mind in the subconscious, I used to go to the hills to do some nature photography and landscape photography. And my cardiologist said, Dr. Khurana, अब वो पहाड़ों का सफर बंद, no more hill traveling. अब इसे matter of the heart now, दिल का मामला है. And he prescribed medicine to be taken all my life. Later, in January 2002, Gano means mushroom, Dharma means skin, lucidum means shining. A mushroom with a shining skin. There is no paint or polish on this mushroom. It's a normal color and normal shine. A mushroom with a shining skin. Ganoderma is one species amongst 38,000 varieties of mushrooms, but it has 200 subspecies. And amongst those subspecies, one which is called red Ganoderma. This is a red Ganoderma. Though I learned about this mushroom just about 10.5 years ago, but its history, the recorded history, is nearly 5,000 years old. In 2838 BC, लगभग 5000 साल पहले चाइना में एक किताब लिखी गई थी. A book was written in China by a person known as Shen Nong. The name of that book is Shinno Hamzoikyu. And in that book, the description given to this mushroom is something like a Sanjeevani booty, a panacea. Sanjeevani booty means a cure all. Sanjeevani booty होती है जो एक मुद्दे में भी जान डालती है. brings life to a dying man. That's what is called Sanjeevani Booty. And this description has been given to this mushroom in a book written about 5,000 years ago.
What is the name of the book?
Shinno Hamzaki, written by Sen Nong. About 70-80 years ago, that book was translated in different languages. The English translation is Shen Nong's Herbal Classic. That's the English translation, Shen Nong's Herbal Classic. And in that book, the description given about this mushroom is a mushroom of longevity and immortality. This is the description given. When that book was published, the scientists all over the world, they started getting interested in this mushroom. And in the 1950s, an association was formed, Association for Research into Ganoderma. Scientists from China, Japan, South Korea and USA, they made that association and they started researching on it. They did a lot of research and after about 20 odd years of research, they decided पढ़ेंगे तो मैं उनको वही बोलता हूँ मुफ्त में आपको हेल्थ नहीं मिलती सिर्फ साइड इफेक्ट मिलते हैं इससे आपको हेल्थ मिले ये मैं आपको बता तो अब how this product takes care of all the problems, let me share it. Natural mushroom, as I told you, in Malaysia there is a company called DXN. This DXN is not the name of the product, it is the name of a company. This company is based in Malaysia. It started in 1993 at Kedah. They have a one person, Dr. Lim Seo-jin. Basically, he is an engineer. He did his civil engineering from India, IIT Kharagpur. But he belonged to the family of traditional Chinese practitioners. Traditional Chinese medicine practitioners. He belonged to the family of those practitioners. But in his early childhood, somehow he developed some interest in mushrooms. After his graduation in engineering, when he went back to Malaysia, he started researching on this mushroom because he had interest from his childhood. And after nearly 10 years of his research, he was awarded PhD in alternative medicine and then now he is DSc and he got worldwide recognition. He has been awarded many times. He realized that this product could give health to me. So he bought a land, cells of the lung get disease. And this product, Ganoderma, it does not work on any disease. It's not a medicine for any disease. It just works on the cells. It only works on the cellular level. It is not a medicine for diabetes. It has no effect on blood health of the lungs. It has no effect on hepatitis. It works on the hepatocytes or cells of the liver. Like it works on all the cellular. Whenever a person consume this capsule or coffee, 5 steps are completed. Whether a person is suffering from allergic rhinitis, cold, cough, or asthma, or heart disease, or hepatitis, or cancer, Ganoderma is going to complete all these 5 steps. And once all these 5 steps are completed, 100% of our body cells, they are repaired and regenerated. And when that happens, the doctor sitting inside, which is sleeping, it wakes up. The immune system. It wakes up. And it is the immune system. When I had started using it 10.5 years ago, I started using it with just one satisfaction, that it has no reaction. It has no side effect and no harm effect. And now, after my experience of 30,000 odd patients, I can say with 100% confidence that it has got no reaction. But one thing happens. When the detoxification occurs, when the cells are getting cleansed, some symptoms appear, which people call reaction. For example, we call it ailment reflection. Whatever is ailment there is in the body, it reflects in certain ways, it comes out in certain ways. In some old Chinese books, these are referred to as opposition defect. Detoxifies the cells of the lungs. That asthmatic patient has a few vomits and passes phlegm for a few days. A person suffering from some kidney disease, kidney failure or any kidney problem, when Ganoderma works on the kidney cell, the patient feels as if he is becoming hard of hearing. There is a blocking sensation in the ears. A person suffering from paralysis, when ganoderma works on the paralyzed part, the person starts feeling pain in the paralyzed part. A person suffering from some heart problem, cardiomyopathy or blocked arteries, when ganoderma starts working on that, the person feels a hot sensation on the face. Sometimes one gets redness of the face also. It is known as flushing of the face. A person suffering from high blood pressure, hypertension, when ganoderma starts working on that, the person feels pain at the back of the upper part of the head. Blood pressure also rises for a couple of days and one feels giddiness also. No problem, nothing to worry. If a person is suffering from low blood pressure, hypotension, when ganoderma starts working on that, the person feels pain at the back of the lower part of the head. A person suffering from cervical spondylosis, problem in the neck, when ganoderma works on that, a person feels giddiness as if the room is going round and round and round. A person suffering from migraine, half-sided headaches, when that happens, the attacks of migraine become more frequent. A person suffering from epilepsy, when ganoderma works on that, the attacks of epilepsy, fits as it is called, it becomes a little more frequent. Nothing to worry. A person suffering from rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis or joint pain, when ganoderma works on that, the pains aggravate and there is a swelling of the joints. A person suffering with diabetes, when ganoderma works on that, the level of blood sugar rises a little and there is a swelling of the wrists. A person suffering from piles, bawasir, when ganoderma works on that, the patient has loose motion along with blood. Nothing to worry. All these are positive signs. The sooner these symptoms appear, the sooner the disease goes away. Nothing to worry. During that time, when ganoderma products are to be started, whatever medicine you are prescribed by your doctor, continue using it. Don't stop it. In spite of that, like if a patient is suffering from arthritis and the pains are too severe, they are intolerable, one can resort to some painkillers, no problem. If an asthmatic patient, when the lung cells are getting detoxified, if the asthmatic attack is too severe, one can get an injection or even get it admitted in hospital for 1 or 2 days, no problem, but continue. Don't stop. They say this is a one difficult phase in the treatment with this ganoderma, but it's a positive phase. As they say, at the end of the dark tunnel, there is light. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. I have seen almost all kinds of ailment affections. आजकल का पेशेंट क्या है? आज का पेशेंट डॉक्टर के पास एक बीमारी लेके जाता नहीं है. पेशेंट गोज विद द पैकेज. ये है, वो है. But the patient talks of only the major problems. जो माइनर है तो वो सोचता है तो थोड़ी सी क्या बात करनी. So when patient comes to me, I on the basis of those. Then I got so much of experience in that 10.5 years that people call me from long distance. और डॉक्टर पुराना किसी ने मेरे को कैप्सूल दिए थे फला प्रॉब्लम के लिए, मेरे को तो ये सिम्टम हो गया. तो मैं बोलता हूँ यू हैव दिस डिजीज. आपको कैसे पता? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सिम्टम्स. I diagnose problems on the basis of symptoms because I know एक किस बात का उससे मेरे को पता लगता है गैनोडर्मा कौन से ऑर्गन पे कौन से अंग पे काम करता है. The average period of these symptoms is 1 to 3 weeks. उसमें थोड़ा समझना पड़ता है. वो निकल गया प्रॉब्लम खत्म. After that you got nothing to worry about and then you are on the road to good health. Average period for the solution of most of the problems. There is no fixed period. Not like allopathy. Tuberculosis, the schedule is for 6 months. Such and such infection, you have to use this antibiotic for 3 weeks. No. With this ganoderma, there is no schedule. It will depend on the body. The more the toxin, the more time it will take. The less the toxin, the less time it will take. The more belief and attitude, the earlier the result will come. तो इसके लिए किसी को मैं फिक्स पीरियड नहीं बता सकता, बट फॉर ए पेशेंट सेटिस्फैक्शन एंड फॉर द नॉलेज ऑफ द जनरल पब्लिक ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माय एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 30,000 ऑड पेशेंट, ये मैं लोगों को बता सकता हूँ, माय पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन, नॉट रिटन इन एनी बुक, ये मेरी पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन है। मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स गेट टेकन केयर ऑफ बिटवीन 6 months to 18 months, most of it, including cancer. बाकी अब मेरे से ये भी लोग पूछते हैं और शायद